6.2 gang, we back in this thing, man. It's another day, we out here in Texas. Another day, we out here in Texas. Another day, we out here in Texas. Yo, it's hot and humid, man. You know what I mean? Anyway, back to the production, man. Show you this situation. We got parts, man. Parts, and more parts. Check it out, because without these parts, the Hellcat cannot get done, man. I mean, tired of waiting until all day to be done. But let's get into the situation. Here we go. Condenser radiator, the big one. Look at this stuff, the huge. That's huge mosquito. That was a huge mosquito, man. This is like radiator. Oh, one of them condenser. I don't know which one it is, but it's one of them. They got this little belt that's broke off on the beginning. See? From the bottom, this plastic piece on the bottom, mine is broke on the end. You know, just goes on the bottom just like that, as you see it. That's how I go report this stuff. Next, this for the bottom bumper, some of that Tang Yang, you know what I mean? Tong Yang, Tang, whatever it is, Tong Yang in this thing. Tong Yang is what it is, people. Yes. Either way, we back into another thing. It's hot. Moving around, sweating. Oh man, it's been a crazy day this week. Here we go, though. My fender, man. My fender. Aftermarket, of course. But it's gonna do. You know? It's gonna do for the kid. You know what I mean? It's gonna do. So, got this one. Now that's the radiator. That's a condenser. Yeah, you can tell by the slim of the body. It's condenser and that's sucker. My bumper, man. Got my bumper right here. It's aftermarket, of course. Sorry for it. Good. So, got that now. Got my hood. Big one. You know what I'm saying? Big one. Got off eBay, American hood. It's kind of upside down. A mirror hood or something like that. How you call it? A mirror hood or whatever. I got off eBay. Shout out to them, man. You know? A little for the kid. Shit, pop it. Let's see. Whoa, looks serious in there. Let y'all see, I ain't trying to drop my phone. That'd be a trash to drop my phone. Yeah, so I got my bottom grill, upper grill, hood, bumper, fender, lower grill, plastic piece for the bottom. I don't know what it's called. I need it for sure. But yeah, radiator, belt to spin like the power steering belt, basically, that'll help steer everything. That came off, but still kind of hard to get muscle it, and the Hellcat position right now. We need that going on. We're gonna fix that too. Condenser, you know what I mean? Yeah. So that's what we're doing. We go to Mako. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to Mako. Like I say, it's another day, them parts days, and parts days be crazy. Go tracking these parts down, man. You gotta run. But the kid been working. I got sheep. You know, I ain't been playing, so y'all see what's happening, man. I ain't been sitting down, so I ain't seen a video in a few days from the kid, man. I had to go to these parts, so I can continue this Hellcat. This stuff I get done. But fortunate thing, I ain't not gonna be ready for no March 7th, though. And that's a big event out here in this Texas, man. If y'all ain't coming, I need sure to be involved in coming, because it's gonna be going down, man. Even on that Friday, March 6th, gonna be something going on too. But I ain't gonna be doing none of those events because I'm not ready yet. But when I do get ready, yeah, I'm gonna slap somebody up. I'm putting somebody on the books. I don't know who. Somebody get put on the books. Somebody get put on the books right away. So when I get done, I'm putting skulls on my head, on my Hellcat. Skulls on my head. I'm putting skulls on my Hellcat, man. And hit up, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, we'll get there. But it's just baby get back to Mako, 6.2 family and gang and all that, man. I hang up in there. Back in 1, 2, 3, and here we go back in. Man, the truck is stacked, packed and racked, y'all. It took a little while, but it's packed and racked. Man, like I said, it took a little while. Actually, I was being a little, you know what I'm saying, dramatic, honestly. It didn't take long at all. It's about 5 minutes and a half or something like that. 4 minutes and like 30-some seconds. It was like simple as heck. Done, bang. You know what I mean? Got a strap down. I ain't trying to fly out the window. You know what I mean? Fly all over the what's the name, the highway. I ain't trying to have that. So I strapped it down. Strapped down. Did that. Yeah. Yeah. Man, she over there cutting the heck up the grass though. She going crazy with the lawnmower. See, that's one thing about Texas, boy. They got some independent women out here, man. Jack, if y'all looking for independent women, hey, not necessarily like that, but they got some independent down here, man. I ain't trying to say nothing like that, but hey, there's independent, man. I ain't putting myself in trouble. I ain't trying to get in trouble, y'all. But yeah, they got independent going on, but that's what that is. We on the way to the tomato. That's what's gonna happen going on. It's going on like that. So, like I say, March 7th, I ain't got the kid. I can't show up March 7th. I'm gonna be there, but I ain't gonna be there, man. That with the cat, man. I'm gonna have something else for him, though. Man, I ain't gonna be running, but I'm gonna be out there luxury, though. I'm gonna have to put a lackout on me, so. Something like that. But I still got my Audi convertible over here. Now, he always do the trick, you know what I mean? He always get a job done. But back in a minute. Guess what, y'all? Got back to Mako. Forgot all kind of parts. About a few of them. The fan, flares. Boy, I got the belt in there. And the phone for the bumper. Got that too. That's pretty much it. What else was it? Then I go back to the another parts though. Return the part. That's always good. You know, need a part. Bought something extra I ain't needed. Good thing return that too. So yeah, that's what we doing. Back again, another video in about 3 seconds for y'all. But 1, 2, and back at the parts though, y'all. I'm gonna drop my phone. That's crazy. Y'all see where we at. So that Porsche freeway. Gotta take the part back. We didn't need it. You know what I mean? Definitely didn't need it. Hellcat action over here. We did that last time. Y'all seen that last video. But let me go over here and talk to him. Get y'all back in a minute for sure. We back again, man. Got my parts I needed. The upper, left and right side. Got 2 pieces there. I ain't $6 a piece. To the other piece back that we didn't need. That was like $300 back in the man pocket, man. I had to get that. You know what I mean? But back out here to play cool, you know what I mean? I see out here, man, Irvin, man. You know where we at, man. Parts, Hellcat. Parts, Hellcat. So, that's my fly. So that's, man, that's what we back to make. Back to make other stuff. Put back on the mark. Stuff like that. Yeah. Got rain coming. Got rain coming. So, here we go. Well, people, good thing is I got the makeup. Bad thing is when I got here, I lost my earring. I took a L on my earring. I gotta find my earring, man. I ain't gonna lose it. I can't leave my earring, bro. I'm gonna find it right now. But it's really that makeup. There you go. There you go. I mean, so when we find this up, trust me, we will get on our game. Find this earring. Until then, people, next video should be good. Let's be back together, put it back tomorrow. Brandon stuff back tomorrow. I guess some other stuff came back tomorrow. So back tomorrow. That's fine. Everything's back tomorrow. But I need to find my earring now. So that's what I'm gonna do. Check out people. I'll see y'all later. 6.2 pound gang was, you know, I can see the kids still up doing this thing nighttime. Day up, sun up. I know the video today might look crazy, y'all. You have to forgive me that this video look crazy. It was like all over the place. My words would come out right. Man, I've been frustrated all day long with this stuff. You know, getting different parts, trying to get the Hellcat on the road, trying to get things done, you know. Gotta say, it's more than the ocean. You know, seems simple, everything not so simple. You know what I mean? It's work involved in everything. Everybody do, anybody do. Especially me, it's always work. What the kid do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, back out here at the parts store. I mean, the parts place over here in Irving. Clay Cooley. You know what I mean? I see Clay back there, man. We out here. I don't know who. See, I'm a who shaker that did. The 392. You know what I mean? Shaker, man. You know what I'm saying? Scat Pack, Henny. Let's see that, man. These Scat Pack, if you don't see, I'm sorry, you can't see. But definitely got the shaker on that thing. You know, I ain't even sure of the back. I think it's somebody big. But he crazy, though. He crazy, man. But at the end of the day, that's what that is back there. That looks so wet, though. When my Hellcat get out here, man, oh my goodness, I can't wait to get a Hellcat get out here. When it do, man, y'all be first to know for sure. First to know for sure. So back here, I might have to get like something for the water pump pulley on the Hellcat, man. I hope it ain't the water pump. Anybody got on water pump? I didn't check O'Reilly's, AutoZone, all them. They don't even carry it. They don't even order it. So hopefully it ain't that. If it is, I'm gonna take it out, get it rebuilt by somebody, or go to Mopar itself, or go to Dial with him. These people, they taxing for a water pump. You don't want to hear what water pump costs. Trust me. I know I don't. Not right now. Be too much for the kid. But at the same time, man, I'm not gonna take too much of that time, man. You know, it's dark. We out here, man. There's a highway over there. You know. But yeah, that's what we doing, man. We're gonna get up out of here. Cut the video kind of short, long, whatever, like I say, but up and down day, left and right, all around day. You know, getting parts, moving around, getting here, this done, that done, this or that done. So, as long as it get done, that's all it is. But tomorrow, though, we go to the Hellcat, take the water pump off, see what happened with that. Hopefully, ain't nothing bad. The pulley on there looks a little up against some things. Since we got all that stuff out of it, we can actually see the pulleys now. The pulley seem to be, water pump pulleys seem to be over touching this one little metal piece. It's hard for the belt to go on. I can see why the water pump belt blew off, popped off. Well, the belt popped off. I see why it did it, because that pulley up against it. So hopefully we get take that pulley off and straighten it, or get a new one. Hopefully, or the kid look into a whole new water pump. Oh my goodness, hope ain't the case. You know what I mean? If that's the case, another delay on the one on Hellcat because of that. But everything else in order, man. Got my hood, everything up there, the Mako. Got all my parts up there, my fender flares, got everything up there. You know, got everything up there, everything up there. So once that go on, they put them pieces on, go ahead and like drill that, the flares on there, and get everything like in order for that part. So that should be it. Everything else is good, man. Everything else is good beyond that point. So we'll see. You know, after that, pretty much after put those parts on, what else they need to do? Not too sure, man. It's too much really to put into Phantom, but it what it is. Until the next time, man. I'm thinking about it here, man. I was tired, days long. You know what I mean? It's not too bad of weather right now, but I need my car, man. Everybody clowning their cars, man, driving crazy, doing sideways. That doesn't sound like going crazy, but I'm gonna do some racing, man. I'm busting heads. I'm putting skulls on the side of Hellcat. I'm trying to tell you. You see how many skulls on the side of Hellcat, how many bodies I didn't put that sucker, you know what I mean? But since y'all on the channel, man, y'all ain't not subscribed, man, hit the like button, subscribe, man, all that kind of good thing, man. I mean, hit the button, man, crash dummy style, man. Hit the button, crash dummy style. Don't think about it, crash that button, dummy, man, on dummy style. Crash dummy style, crash that button, you know what I mean? Straight into ooh. You know what I mean? 'Cause I got more content, like I say, I got all kind of content coming. I got different content coming. A lot of other content coming. You know what I mean? Like, once this Hellcat get done, it's gonna be a whole other wave of other content. I mean, so we're gonna get to that too. Y'all kind of stuff to tell y'all. Put y'all on game. But until then, man, y'all stay tuned. 6.2 gang family, all that bang stuff. You know what I mean? We do that too. But until then, we out of here, man. You know what I mean? Until the next time. Meanwhile, next time, next time, next time. Next video. I mean.